Minister, sir, there's this level of indiscriminate pick and drop in this issue. So that sometimes leads to crime. How will this new bus terminus curb that?
What it means that you don't need to stop the road. You have to go to the bus terminal, and then you will know the drivers, will know the vehicle you have what that of course will limit is what do you call it?
One
chance. So that's the essence of building the terminal, and also to clean up the city. So you don't have all the road buses, you know, to pass. So that's what we're doing.
Okay, final one from AIT.
Honorable Minister, I'd like to ask you, the last time we went to Mapuche, raised observations about the finishing. So I don't know if you found was there an improvement?
Very much. That's why I said I commend the contractor. When they announced it, we said that I shouted and they are not happy with the finishing. But for one another, a lot of improvement. And you see the contractor have said they've not done the final thing. All they want to do to come and that I have that whole view. So at the end of the day, they will have put it into consideration and land will have to say, but I think we're happy with what's
in terms of the funding, how have you been managing, meeting up with all of these projects at the same time, with limited resources?
Well, it's a matter of prudent spending and then try to prioritize what you tend to do. That's why my mother said that just don't do an award contract for the sake of awarding contracts. We award contract based